Why do training and technique matter for long-term success? A lot of clinicians out there are doing this surgery wrong. They weren't trained by the inventor. They weren't trained by global experts at this procedure, to where they're using 4 dental implants, maybe 5 or 6, but they're not using them in the specific way that protocol demands. They're using grafted bone. They're using techniques that are not appropriate for this surgery, and patients are suffering as a result. So that's why we are able to provide a 5-year warranty, no questions asked. If you don't have success, if you have an issue with something, it's fixed, period. And few other clinicians are bold enough to do that, but it's because we understand why bone loss occurs, how this procedure can have problems. Because we fully understand that, you can avoid all of that. We can give you that warranty with confidence, and you have the peace of mind of not knowing you're gonna have to spend that again, because I do a lot of revisions for other people that have had this surgery done. It wasn't done correctly, and now they're having to pay again and go through all this again, which is unfortunate. Do it better, have it done right the first time by doing your homework, which is why you're here.